All right, let's get started on these review videos. I'm just going to kind of skip around here. So I'm going to do numbers 1, 4, and 5. I'm going to try to pick the hardest ones from each section. Okay. Number 1 is obviously not too bad. I just wanted to start off and just remind us how to complete a conversion. Remember, if I start with miles, okay, that 1 mile must be in the denominator down here. Whoops. 5,200. Remember, when our units are diagonal like this, okay, they cancel out, right? And now I'm left over with this, and you get 31,680. Okay. This next we want to convert from miles to hour to feet per second. So I start off with 15, and then I'm going to put miles on top per 1 hour in the denominator. So I'm going to cancel out my miles first. So 1 mile is again 5,280 feet. Miles cancel. And now I'm going to do something different. Now I'm going to go from hours to seconds. So since hours in the bottom here, I have to, in order to cancel out, it has to be in the top here, there. So hour with hour, right? It's the opposite now. Okay, and then I can do, what am I doing? From hours to minutes, so 60 minutes, and then 1 minute, and then 60 seconds. So I'm actually going to show you how I plug this into the calculator at this point. All right, give me 1 second. I'm going to do something like this. 15 times 5,280. So there's the numerator. My denominator is, so I'm going to click answer divided by 60. Sorry, I'm about to sneeze. So that equals 22 feet per second. Because I end with feet and then seconds. All right. This one's a little bit weird because we have the cubed. So I'm going to start off with 217 feet cubed. So I'm going to know the cube part for a second. I'm just going to start off with 217 feet. I'll write the cube, but I'm going to ignore it. Now I want to go from feet to centimeters. Feet to centimeters. So I go to 1 foot is 12 inches. And then I go from inches to 2.54 centimeters. All right, so now I'm going to deal with the cubed. All right, since our units are cubed, I have to cube everything after my original. All right, so I cube every single constant, every single number, and every single unit. Okay, so the feet cubed cancel, the inches cubed cancel, and I'm left over with centimeters cubed, which is what I want. Now I need to multiply these 3 things. And how would I do that? Well, let's open up our trusty, what is that, 217? So 217 times, I'm going to use parentheses, 12 times 12, to the third, times parentheses 2.54 to the, close it, enter. So that big number is our answer, 6144755. 6144755. Is that 0.71? Yeah, 0.71. Look at that. I'm like weird with numbers. I can weirdly remember numbers. Guess that's a good thing I became a math teacher, huh? Centimeters cubed. I can promise you, you'll see something like all 3 of these on your quiz. All right. I'm going to pause there.